Hello, this question says, if a beam of rectangular cross section is subjected to a vertical shear force V, the shear force carried by the upper one-third of the cross section is. In this question, the cross section of the beam is rectangular and we assume the width of the rectangular section is small b and depth is d. We know that this section is symmetrical in nature, so neutral axis passes through the center of the cross section. It means this is d by 2, this is also d by 2. Consider a strip which has a width of b and thickness of dy and at a distance y from the neutral axis. We know that for this layer shear stress is tau equal to 6b upon vd cube d square upon 4 minus ky square, where tau is the shear stress in this layer, V is the vertical shear force which is given in question, B is the width of the cross section, D is the depth. Okay, now we find the shear force on this layer. So dF equal to shear stress on this layer into area of the layer or strip. So shear stress on this layer is given in tau, area B into dy, because this layer is rectangular. So area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So dF equal to 6b upon vd cube d square upon 4 minus ky square into v into dy. Cancel out b से b. So df equal to 6b upon d cube d square upon 4 minus ky square dy. This is the shear force on this layer. Now we calculate the shear force carried by the upper one-third of the cross section. It means shear force is carried by the upper one-third of the cross section. It means this is d by 3. So calculate for the shear force on the upper one-third of the cross section. We integrate this equation with limit of d by 2 to d by 6, because the total length from the neutral axis is d by 2 and remaining distance is d by 6, because d by 2 minus d by 3 equal to d by 6. This distance is d by 6. Okay. So integrate this equation. D by 2 to d by 6. df d by 6 to d by 2 to d by 6. 6b upon d cube d square upon 4 minus ky square dy. Integrate this is f. It means shear force on the upper one-third of the cross section. F. 6b upon d cube is constant. D by 2 to d by 6. D square upon 4 dy minus ky square dy. F equal to 6b upon d cube. This one d square upon 4 dy is y, limit d by 2 to dy 6 minus k y cube upon 3 dy 2 to dy 6. Okay. Put the limit f equal to 6b upon d cube d square upon 4 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6, sorry, d by 2 d by 6 minus k 1 by 3 is common d by 2 का क्यूब माइनस के dy 6 का क्यूब, दिस वन. ओके. f इक्वल टू 6b अपॉन d cube is d is common, so d cube upon 4 1 by 2 minus k 1 by 6, also d cube is common 1 by 8 minus 1 6. So f equal to d cube is whole common, one by 4 into 2 by 6 minus k d cube, sorry, 1 by 3 into 2 1 6 8 28 27 minus k 1. Okay. So f equal to 6b d cube से d cube cancel out, 2 जा 1 by 12 minus के 1 by 3 into 26 upon 216 13 108. तो f इक्वल टू 6b 3 into 108 कॉमन 27 minus 13. f इक्वल टू 6b into 14 into 3 into 108 54. So f equal to 7b upon 27. So the shear force carried by the upper 1/3 of the cross section is 7b upon 27. Thank you. Hope this answered your question.